In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off reachability on your iPhone. Reachability is a feature that makes it easier to use your phone with one hand by bringing the top of the screen down closer to your thumb. But if you find yourself accidentally activating reachability or just don't find it useful, turning it off is simple. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see an option called Accessibility. Tap on it. After that, scroll down again, and you'll see a section called Physical and Motor, and in that section, you'll see an option called Touch. Tap on it. Once you are on this page, you'll see the reachability option. Swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen to bring the top into reach. To turn off reachability on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.